Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to sign up for Facebook or how you can create a new account in Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on Facebook application, and once you're inside the Facebook application, you will be appear with login homepage. Right there is create a new account. Click on it and tap and get started. Now write down your first and last name and click on next. Once you do that, add your birth date. Again, click on next and select your gender. Now here you have to add your mobile number. Simply add your mobile number. You can also sign up with email address, but for now I'm signing up with phone number. So here write a password or create a password and save if you want to save your login information. Once you do that, you will be successfully able to sign up for Facebook. So this is how easily you can sign up for Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.